Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Here I'm gonna show you my project called Age and explain how Fmod works with Unity C# in that case. This project is still in development, but you can play the demo on Steam. I put a link here for your convenience. So let's take a look what this game is about. This is a strategy game in the form of a comic book builder. You have a group of characters and you need to lead them through different locations. And also you need to keep the good level of health and sanity among them. So you have different events that appear on locations that you can investigate or simply skip. Then you go to a downtime event to heal wounds and rest, and then you go investigate everything all over again. So at some point you will meet some monsters that you need to fight, and you need to go back to heal wounds. So that's it. Here we have two audio layers that are constantly playing throughout the game, music and ambience, and also some SFX for monsters or events that appear from time to time. Most of the audio here is working from the single script called audio module. Notice that audio module doesn't inherit from mono behavior, so it doesn't need to be in the game scene or attached to a game object at all. Music and ambience are launched from launch if needed method. The most interesting thing here is that we use public bool audio octave that prevents audio from overlapping once launched again. So it checks whether audio is activated, and if it's already playing, it returns to the class. Let's take a closer look to the start ambience method. Here we call launch if needed method, and then we set parameter by name that is called ambient progress. And ambient progress has a value that it gets from integer key. What is a key actually in this case? We have ambience key here that is a public enum, and it gets information from game data. So the parameter amProgress within Fmod is set according to these values that represent different areas from the game. So once we have a sewers location loaded, the value of 1 is being passed to the Fmod parameter. So we can hear sewers ambience bubbling on the background. So if we have control room, for example, loaded, we will have control room ambience on the background. The same goes for campfire ambience, the same goes for the battle, and the same goes for two cutscenes that we currently have in the game. So the same principle we have with the music. We have music key, enum. We can check this out. So once background music is need to be played, we pass a value of 1. And here we go. Here we have background music playing. If a value of 2 is passed from the game data to this enum, we have battle music playing. And then we have downtime event playing. Okay, so how does the audio module script actually know what area is going to be loaded? And how does that work? We have a next event states class that is going to determine what event is going to be loaded in the game next. And here we have a pretty nice method called audio draw hook that checks for event that is being loaded on the book page. And it changes music, starts ambience, or places SFX in the case we have some monster or some event that has an SFX on it. Okay, so let's take a closer look of how does it work in the game. Here we have cutscene music playing and cutscene ambience playing on the background. Skip tutorial, So here we have location sewers, ambience bubbling on the background, and background music playing. So we have a sleeper, that's the enemy. So the ambience has changed to the battle ambience, and so does the music. It's changed to the battle state. Okay, let's kill him and go here to the campfire, where we can listen to relaxing downtime music and also little ambience that represents the campfire burning on the background. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to have something like that in your game, or you have any questions or opinions on my work, please let me know. Bye bye.